Hi everyone, I'm Melissa van Dijk, and if you're suffering from body acne such as on your chest, back or shoulders, you might be blaming clogged pores and sweat for the issue. But it could also be diet related for sure. But what if the real cause comes from something you're using every single day? And I'm talking about your laundry detergent. And in today's video, I'll explain to you why I believe most laundry detergents could be irritating your skin, causing breakouts. Because after all, your skin tries to protect itself. Plus, I'll share with you an experiment that proves it. So let's look into this. Over the past year, I conducted my own experiment. I kept track of the different laundry detergents I used. And what I discovered was shocking. I struggled with persistent back acne and frequent chest breakouts, especially in areas where I sweat the most. Now, the common belief is that sweat clogs your pores, leading to acne. But I believe that's not the real cause. Instead, I think that the real issue is the detergent residue left in your clothes. Almost all major laundry detergents contain enzymes that help break down stains. These enzymes work great for cleaning, but they can be harsh on our skin. And here's where it gets interesting. Many modern washing machines use less water, meaning detergents, especially liquids, pods, all-in-one packs, don't rinse out completely. And that means that the detergent residue stays in your clothes. So when you sweat, the leftover chemicals can irritate your skin, causing inflammation and breakouts. Alright, now I'm going to prove it. I'll add the recommended amount of this liquid laundry detergent to the washing machine. Then, I'll run a normal daily wash cycle. And after about 1.5 hours, my laundry should be completely clean and free of any detergent residue, right? Now let's see what happens when I rinse the clothes again. Wow, look at this! See how much detergent is still coming out? Now let's wash again. I'll run a 15-minute cycle to show you. See that? Look at the foam. The water has still a lot of detergent in it, even without adding more. That means every time you wear your freshly washed clothes, you're rubbing the detergent residue into your skin. And when you sweat, that's when irritation and breakouts start, because the detergent residue dissolves into your sweat, leading to breakouts. So what can you do about this? Well, you could switch to an enzyme-free detergent. This is what I did. Or choose powder over liquid detergent, because powder detergents generally rinse out more effectively even at lower temperatures. Run an extra rinse cycle. This helps ensure your clothes are thoroughly rinsed, removing any remaining detergent. Or wash at higher temperatures, 60 degrees Celsius or even higher if your clothes can handle it, because hot water helps to break down and remove more detergent residue. Or lastly, try washing without detergent occasionally. A detergent-free wash from time to time can help minimize the buildup on your clothes. Now that's it for today, and if you've been struggling with body acne yourself, try out these tips and let me know in the comments if you noticed a difference. And remember, if you found this video helpful, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.